Hey everyone, my name is Teri and welcome. I'm making this channel because I love making things and I figured I should document the process. I'll be exploring things like 3D printing, embedded electronics, industrial design, and the process behind taking an idea from concept to a finished product. Right now I have a few projects in the works, so I'll be sharing those as they come together. I'm definitely not an expert. I'm learning things as I go, so if that sounds like your thing, feel free to join me. I'm currently working as a software developer, but I actually have my degree in architectural design, and I got that from U of T a couple years back. I have a lot of hobbies outside of work. I love to take photos. I love to read books. These are a couple of my favorites this year. I love to go out and enjoy food, go have picnics, enjoy cafes, things like that. So I think that's it. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.